Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the lighting in my garage. So as you see, it's always dim in my garage. You can tell from the previous videos. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. So let me see if you can see those. So I just got regular old light bulbs. There you go. So you only have regular old light bulbs in my garage, so it's very dim in here. So lately I've been doing a lot of research, looking at shop lights and stuff, but that would have ran me hundreds of bucks. So I would have had a hardwire, got me an electrician and stuff. So an ad came up while I was watching a YouTube video about these LED light bulbs and stuff. It's supposed to be like 12,500 lumens, so they just got here today. Let's check them out. All right, everyone, we're over at my table saw and stuff. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let me show you what I got. So these are deformable LED garage lights. Can you see that? There you go. So make sure you get a good look at the packaging in case you want to try some and stuff, all right? Let's open this box, see what we got inside. I don't think I need a user manual. Alright, so it comes with 4 flaps. They're adjustable. So if you want to angle the light. It was a YouTube channel I was watching. The guy, he only used one for a 2-stall garage. He lit up his whole garage, so I got me 3 of them. I guess it's going to be extra bright in here, so. And it's an easy install. There's no wiring. You just take this off. It's like a normal screw-in for a regular light bulb, so I like that aspect of it. And this all this right here, I believe, was less than $70 and stuff. I think it was like, I need to double check, but I think it was like under $70. I'll double check. I think it was like $27 a light bulb. I'll have to go back and double check for you guys. Alright, so I guess we just keep recording. We're about to do a before and after. You're going to see the after screwing this first bulb. I think I'll put it right here. This light bulb right here. For safety reasons, you should cut your light switch off. I'm not finna do that. I'm just gonna screw it in. I'm gonna fold these down like this so I don't blind myself. So, yeah. Alright. Alrighty, so let's see a huge difference with just one. Whoa. Climbing the ladder, see something. Whew. Okay. Whew. I forgot to take off the plastic cap. Let's try that again. All right, here we go. Wow. Wow. I see a huge difference from this one light. It just got really bright over here. Wow. Wow. So, then I'll put one right here, another one over here. Wow, that is crazy. Wow. Yeah, I think I only needed maybe one of them because I just angled the light. I'm gonna put one more in there. I'm loving these things. 1 second. All right, so I got the last one in. Y'all see a difference yet? I see a tremendous difference in here and stuff. Wow. I like how you can adjust it and stuff too. I think I might get 2 more. To put one right here, this corner, and the one over here in this corner. Over here. Don't need it. I don't need it, but I just want it anyway. I want it as bright as can be. And it's a whole lot cheaper. I can see a whole lot. I can see a whole lot better now. All right, so let's go over the details. Let's read this user manual. All right, so here we got right here. Can you see that? All right. I believe it's pronounced Atier CKD 101 LED, the 4-unfolding light, and this is the user manual. We're gonna go over the details right now. All right. The specifications: the shell color is black. All right, the lamp B model is 2835. Number of lamp beads is 72 star 4 equal 288 PCS. I guess that means pieces. I don't know what that means though, to be honest with you. All right, the lamp B color temperature is 6,000 and 6,500 K. The total lumens is 12,000 lumens. The base is E26-E27. The working voltage is 85-265 volts. That's not bad. The weight is 1.87 libs. The service life is 50,000 hours, so it's supposed to last 50,000 hours. That's a really long time, people. That's not bad for a $30 light bulb. So I'm gonna show you guys the box one more time. I got these over Amazon. I'll post a link in the description for you and stuff. All right. I'm not affiliated with this. I just came across it. I like it. I tried it. So. Look like they got it in black, silver, and white. I only seen the black ones online. All right, guys, you have a good rest of your day.